we are doing Massacre Grounds Trail.
Yep, it is about 1,100 feet elevation, so
5.3 miles. We couldn't get all the way to the parking lot because I drive a Toyota Corolla and it's really hard.
Jeep struggling to get past,
so it's probably not the best if you don't have an off-road vehicle. So we parked a little bit farther back, so we're gonna walk up to where the parking lot is and then go from there.
Yep.
But we'll catch another sunrise for you guys, and we'll check in with you soon.
Peace out.
Grab the GoPro.
It's okay, I'll wait till it's lighter outside.
Oh, we should record this. This is cool.
I am. All right. Pretty sure this is where we enter. It's kind of creepy. Only because it's nighttime. But also kind of cool.
We're coming up fast. Doesn't mind me, I'm familiar.
Just came from down there.
I can't get any water out.
Got a gorgeous view. We're only a mile in though, so we still got like a 1.8 miles left. All right, we reached the part where it has the fence. So we're just gonna go through this.
How much elevation are we at? Like, probably 300?
192?
200.
Hey, I was close. I said 200, not 300.
Oh.
Trying to make it seem like we did more than we did.
It's tough, guys. There's a part, I think we just passed it, but there's a part where the elevation literally goes up like 50 feet in like less than a 0.1 mile. It goes up like really fast. But just be safe, careful, have the right equipment if you want to go on this way.
Look, Jace got his hiking boots.
Finally.
Oh, hell. Film this.
They're women's.
Holy cow.
I mean, my feet didn't fit any others because they were all like men's 11s.
Yee doggy.
Be careful if you're going on this hike for this.
All right, watch me on my jump.
No.
I'm just kidding. But can you videotape in 4K?
You already know. New GoPro.
4K.
We should have done an
60 frames per
unboxing
second.
video of the GoPro.
Ow.
Why didn't we do an unboxing video?
Because this isn't Ryan's world.
Unboxing videos get a lot of,
Because we opened it in the car?
but still, unboxing videos get a lot of likes and views in general.
Guess we're just going to have to go buy another one then.
Get.
I was trying to move out of the way, and then you moved to where I was. Look at that view over there.
Oh.
Right.
Doing that on purpose. You're meant to
We
do
are
that.
in a mile and a half in.
Yeah, halfway
Yep.
there.
We are slowly dying.
A little bit. We're like, what, 350 in? 350 elevation?
Our motivation to do this right
100.
now is
Very
dwindling.
low right now.
At an all-time low.
It's a long week, but you know, we gotta get out here.
Like 350 feet.
415 feet elevation.
I feel like we're
Why is my
so
watch
much
so
farther than we really are. Just because we went through like, we've gone deeper into the mountains. I don't think we've ever like done a hike like this.
No.
Not this deep.
Yeah, definitely not. We're also about like, what, 2 miles in? Almost a mile and a half?
Mile and a half.
Yeah.
That's not almost 2
We're not
miles.
doing too bad.
But we're not seeing much of the sun because the mountains are blocking it. But the shadow on all the mountains back there were actually really pretty. So hopefully once we go through this little canyon looking thing, we'll get some good shots of the sun, and then we'll update you when we get there.
sore again. Stop for a while.
Damn, how did you get up here?
Right here.
Ow, I poked myself in the eye. Oh.
Where is it? Dude, where is the drone? Oh my god, Jake! Take it down!
We're on our way back. Took us 2 hours to get up there. It's pretty rough for us, but I'm sure if you guys are in shape, you'd be able to do it. But there was lots of incline at the end, like we said at the beginning of the video. But we're hoping to beat our 2 hours on the way back. We were able to get some good drone footage of the little waterfall at the end. Luckily, it was still going.
Yeah,
But-
guys, by the way, there are some places during this hike that are really rocky. So just be on the lookout for that.
But we'll update you in a little bit. So we made it to the scary beginning again. We are, let's see,
Dead.
almost 6 miles, and we still have to walk point through to our car because we couldn't park in this parking lot. I'm looking at all these cars that look like mine, and I'm just wondering how. There's a huge bus too. Hold on, but like there's a huge dip, and I'm wondering how they got here. But
Our feet hurt so bad.
it's whatever. Look at this,
My legs
a
is
gigantor
How?
bus.
We kid you not, we've seen probably 30 to 40 people here.
Where
Like
am I
there's
going?
groups of like 10 people.
Yeah, there's a lot of people here. It's a very popular hike. So we started at 6:45 this morning, and it's almost 11. But so it was a good chunk of time. But it was definitely worth it. It was really good. It was a good hike, lots of incline. So I definitely would recommend it. It's very popular.
Yeah.
We also recommend hiking equipment.
Yeah, this one would have been best to have the hiking sticks.
Yeah, and not only that, if you have hiking shoes that have padding in them, use them. Use them.
My feet hurt so bad.
Yeah. And especially on the way down, it's so rocky. All your feet are going to like the front, and your toes are like getting the
Your
thick of
toes?
it. Your toes. Your toes really hurt at the end.
But anyways, so it's a good hike. Thanks for coming along with us.
Peace out.
Like,
Bye.
comment, subscribe.
Amen.
Let
out,
us know
guys.
what you want to see next. Bye.